Stolen. That word describes what the negativity bias has been doing to many for decades. It steals the good moments right out of one's hands before they even get to hold them. I noticed this about a year ago. A friend was sitting on a bench in the middle of a really beautiful afternoon, sun hitting the trees just right, coffee tasting perfect, and their brain decided to replay an awkward thing they said in a meeting 3 days earlier. The good moment then just evaporated. Gone. Like it never happened. So looking into the work of neuropsychologist Hanson, and he explains something that honestly rearranges how one moves through a day. The brain is wired like Velcro for bad experiences and Teflon for good ones. Negative stuff sticks instantly. Positive stuff slides right off unless one does something deliberate about it. He developed a method called installation, and it is wonderfully simple. 3 steps. First, catch the good moment when it is happening, not later, right then. A stranger holds a door open. A song comes on that hits perfectly. The coffee is just right. Notice it. Second, stay with it. Not for a second. Linger. Let the warmth of it actually build. Turn up the volume on that feeling like adjusting a dial. Third, let it land. Set a quiet intention that this moment matters. Let it soak in like rain into dry ground. I have been intentionally doing this, and the shift has been phenomenal. My brain started hunting for good things the way it used to hunt for threats, like becoming a collector of small, bright moments instead of a warehouse for old regrets. The science says roughly 30 seconds of sustained attention on a positive experience begins to reshape neural pathways. That is not a lifetime commitment. That is half a minute. One good moment, fully absorbed, can outweigh hours of background worry. The brain just needs permission to keep it. Every single person who watches this video has the power to change someone else's life today. Subscribing to Infinity Quantum takes 1 second, but creates a ripple that reaches people across the entire world. Hit like, share this with someone who needs it, and drop your location in the comments because seeing where our community reaches genuinely excites us. Together, we are building something real. Join us and help others find this too.